Did you know that Algerian cuisine boasts a rich tradition of clay pot cooking that dates back centuries? Using unglazed clay pots, known as tagines or tagines, Algerians create deep, earthy flavors and tender textures that metal cookware simply cannot replicate. The porous clay allows moisture to circulate evenly, making slow-cooked meals incredibly aromatic and flavorful. Let's explore the top 3 iconic Algerian dishes prepared in these clay pots. First is tagine zitoun, a savory olive stew typically made with chicken or lamb, carrots, and green olives, gently simmered with warming spices like cinnamon and saffron. Next, chakchouka, a festive dish from eastern Algeria, features torn flatbread soaked in a rich spiced tomato and lamb sauce, cooked low and slow to achieve perfect tenderness. Lastly, doubara, a hearty vegan stew from Biskra, combines fava beans, chickpeas, tomatoes, and a bold blend of cumin and chili peppers. Each dish reflects Algeria's diverse landscape and culinary heritage, all brought to life in the humble clay pot, making every meal a flavorful journey through tradition.